Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 4 Hindi Chapter 5 Dost Ki Poshak worksheet with answers and English explanation. First, I will be showing the questions, later which we will discuss the solutions. If time is not sufficient, you can just pause the video and answer the questions. Shabda Artha, meanings. You have to give meanings for the given words. First one, dost, friend, mitra, friend. Second one, mamuli, meaning is normal or ordinary. Chota is small, but you can also write sadharan, whichever has the meaning normal or ordinary, you can write. Sadharan is correct, exact word for mamuli. Third one, batkili, meaning is shining, costly, glittering. Chamakdar is also the same. Fourth one, garmjoshi, meaning is warmth. Utsag is also same meaning. Fifth one, naraj, anger or angry. Gussa is also getting angry. Vilom Shabda, opposites. First one, Naya, meaning is new, Purana, old. Second one, Dost, friend, Dushman is enemy. Third one, Mamuli is normal or ordinary, Mahatvapurna is special. Fourth one, Swahat, welcoming, Fatkar is damnation. Fifth one, Chupchap, quiet. Shor Sharaba, meaning is noise. Next, Visheshan Shabda, meaning is you are going to write adjective word or describing word. Adjectives, Visheshan meaning is adjective, describing words you are going to write for the following. First one, Poshak. I have written Sundar Poshak, meaning is beautiful dress. Second one, Purana Dost, old friend, or you can write new friend, special friend. You can write your own describing word. Third one, Meeta Phal, so sweet fruit. Badi pencil, big pencil. Fifth one, Uncha Hathi, so tall elephant. Next we are going to write filling the blanks for the following. First one, एक बार नजरुद्दीन अपने पुराने दोस्त जमाल से मिला. So they are asking which whom this Jamal. So you are writing purana dost, his friend. चलो दोस्त मोहल्ले में घूम आए. So let's roam in streets. मोहल्ले meaning streets. Third one, क्यों यह बताना ज़रूरी था कि यह आजकल तुम्हारी है. So he's asking why you want. So यह आजकल is this dress is his or not? He's asking. जमाल साहब फिर से नाराज हो गया. So नाराज is angry. पोशा की बात कहे बिना काम नहीं चलता क्या. So in this context what is what they are talking about? They are talking about the dress. अपनी किन्हीं 4 पोशाकों के नाम लिखो और उनका चित्र बनाओ. So here you are being asked to draw the picture of 4 dresses with their names. So first one I have written sari, chudidar, shirt and pant. You can write your own dresses which you can draw and write their names in Hindi. Question answers. First one, नजरुद्दीन किससे कई सालों के बाद मिले. So नजरुद्दीन met whom after many years. नजरुद्दीन अपने दोस्त जमाल साहब से कई सालों के बाद मिलो. नजरुद्दीन met his old friend Jamal after many years. Second question, दोनों बंटन के कहाँ घूमने चले गए. So after dressing up, where did they go? So दोनों बंटन के मोहल्ले में घूमने चले गए. So they both dressed up and they went to roam in the streets. Third question, जमाल साहब ने घूमने से मना क्यों किया. So why did जमाल साहब deny to roam. जमाल साहब ने घूमने से मना इसलिए किया क्योंकि उनके पास अच्छे कपड़े नहीं थे. So जमाल साहब denied to roam because he was wearing उनके पास अच्छे कपड़े. So he does not have any good dress. Question 4, जमाल साहब क्या पहनकर घूमने निकले. So what did he wear when he was रोमिंग. जमाल साहब नज़रुद्दीन की नई अचकन पहनकर घूमने निकले. सो जमाल साहब wore Nazruddin's new dress when he was roaming. Fifth question, इस कहानी से हमें क्या शिक्षा मिलती है? So what is the lesson that you are learned from this story? इस कहानी से हमें यह शिक्षा मिलती है कि हमें किसी की सहायता करने के बाद उस पर आसान नहीं जानना चाहिए. So the moral from this story is, whenever we help, we should not always tell that help to others. So that is the moral of this story. So chapter 5 Hindi worksheet ends here. Hope this video is useful. Thanks for watching.